Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest gadgets and gizmos to give you the lowdown on whether they're worth your hard-earned cash. Today, we're tackling the Anycubic Kobra 2 Max, a printer that promises to be a giant in the world of 3D printing. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk size. The Kobra 2 Max boasts a massive build volume of 420 by 420 by 500 mm, making it perfect for those oversized prints that make a statement. But with great size comes great responsibility, and this printer certainly makes its presence known with its hefty footprint and weight. But size isn't the only thing this printer has going for it. It's also got speed. Anycubic claims it can push plastic at a whopping 500 mm per second, but our testing revealed a more modest speed of 150 to 230 mm per second. Still impressive for its size, but not quite as mind-blowing as advertised. Now, let's talk performance. The Kobra 2 Max does a decent job of printing, once you get past some initial firmware issues and bed leveling quirks. It's capable of producing clean prints on a variety of materials, from PLA to PETG to ABS. But beware, trying to go full throttle on those larger prints can result in some noticeable imperfections, like ugly Z-seams. One of the standout features of this printer is its auto bed leveling system, which helps to ensure consistent print quality across the entire build surface. However, we did encounter some issues with bed warping, which required some creative solutions to fix. Assembly of the Kobra 2 Max is relatively straightforward, with the printer shipping mostly pre-assembled and only requiring a few screws and bolts to put together. But be prepared to set aside about 30 minutes for the assembly process, and make sure to double-check those Y-axis belts for proper tension. In terms of software, the Kobra 2 Max comes with Anycubic Slicer, which is based on Prusa Slicer. While functional, it's not the most user-friendly interface, and we encountered some issues with missing printing profiles. Printing with the Kobra 2 Max can be a mixed bag. While it excels at smaller, faster prints, attempting to push the limits with larger prints can lead to disappointing results. But with some tweaking of settings and a bit of patience, you can still achieve impressive prints with this machine. So, what's the final verdict on the Anycubic Kobra 2 Max? It's certainly a solid printer with some impressive features, but it falls short of being a true standout in the crowded 3D printing market. If you're in the market for a large format printer and don't mind a bit of tinkering, it's worth considering. But if you're looking for something that's truly plug and play, you may want to look elsewhere. That's all for today's review. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts on the Anycubic Kobra 2 Max. Until next time, happy printing!